How to connect Tradovate to TradingView. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for Tradovate and then head over to this site. It will land you on the official page of Tradovate. Well, if you have created your account through your Google account, then click on sign up with Google. And if you have created from Apple account, then click on sign up with Apple. Or else you can also enter the email address over here and then click on sign up. You have been successfully logged into your Tradovate account. Head over to the settings of your device and you have to make sure that this TradingView is activated. If not, click on activate. It will open up your TradingView account. Scroll down and at the bottom, you will find tons of different brokers. You have to click on Tradovate. Once you click on Tradovate, your Tradovate account will be successfully connected to TradingView and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can connect Tradovate to TradingView. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.